Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to revert back to the default theme on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Now I'm using the S24 Ultra, but this works on all the Galaxy S24s. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings. Just go back to the main settings page. So go to settings. On the settings page, scroll down to themes, tap on that, and that will take you inside the Galaxy Themes app. So here you want to tap on the menu in the bottom right corner, and on your menu page tap on My Stuff, and here you'll see all your stuff. So you have themes, wallpapers, icons, always-on displays. So make sure themes is selected, and then the first theme is usually your default theme, and you can see it says default there. So if you tap on that, it's going to allow you to apply the default theme. And the theme, or rather the default theme, has been applied. Everything is back to the way it was originally. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.